So hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about Pixel Hunter. So guys, this is a free AI image resizer for your social media. So let's say guys, you have very difficulty for uploading your images on social media because there are different types of posts you can upload. So this AI tool is for you. You guys can select your any image and put it right here, and then you guys will get your results for different types of social media. For Facebook, there is a profile photo like this, image photo like this, and cover photo like this. Let's say guys, you have a photograph and you want to put in your square post and in your stories both, but it will get the different format. Then what will you do? You'll upload that particular photo on this website and you'll get your stories photo right here like this, and square post like this, and also your profile picture like this. And it will give you for Twitter, for YouTube, and for TikTok guys, and many more social medias like this. So guys, this will help you a lot. You guys can use it very well, and it is totally free, 100%. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.